Are you tired of losing thousands of dollars in this market because you bought a coin but you got rugged after? Well, in this video, I will be showing you guys exactly a brand new strategy to avoid that, and it's the complete opposite of trading. It's called deving. Now, a rug pull is when someone like a dev dumps on the coin and cashes out his entire supply on all the traders, just like this coin, okay? The coin pumps and then the creator of the coin fucking dumps on everyone, and that is called a rug pull. And the traders lose a bunch of money, but the devs though, they have nothing to lose. They actually have everything to gain though, because they are the ones creating these coins, and that's exactly why I am making this video. I will be exposing my launching strategy on how I find viral narratives, how I deploy the token, and then how I cash out, and do that all day, every day to make thousands of dollars. So keep watching, because trust me bro, you'll want to learn this strategy, because deving meme coins is way more profitable than trading. That's a fact. If you are a really good dev bro, you can actually make serious money, but trading though, you have to risk on every trade some sort of money. But deving though, it costs nothing to make coins. That's exactly why you have to keep watching. And by the way bro, I don't condone any financial advice said in this video. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just here to educate you guys on the subject. So let's go. Now, most devs, when they make their meme coins, they go directly on Pump.Fun, right? And they launch a meme coin here, hoping to make profits, but they're just wasting their time, and they don't even know it. Pump.Fun is fucking competitive. There's a bunch of coins launching every single second, so the odds that your coin gets a couple buyers is really slim, and you don't actually control your liquidity pool. You don't control the coins. You only make money from the Pump.Fun creator fees, not from the supply, unless you buy your own coin, but that's another thing. So you have to be launching on the Raydium DEX, also known as the migrated section. Here is where coins, okay, get a bunch of volume, okay? When a coin gets on Raydium, bang, it fucking pumps, and that's exactly why we are going to launch here, and that is my method. To launch directly to Raydium, you'll want to be using create meme.io, not Pump.Fun, because Pump.Fun needs to reach a migration level. But if you go on create meme.io directly, the coins will immediately migrate to Raydium. It will go directly to Raydium, reaching a bunch of people, and that's exactly what we want for promotion of our coin. Now, to create a coin bro, you could either create one from scratch or you can copy a coin bro. It's up to you. We will be using this method. Why? Because all these coins already have a proven narrative to copy. They're all going viral on Pump.Fun. They all have a good narrative. They're all fucking insane. Boom. This one peaked to $227,000 in market cap, which means is a good copy, and it went to zero. No, wait, what? It went to like 4 mil. Yeah, this coin is a good vamp. Okay, so anyways, well, first of all, make sure you connect your Phantom wallet and then look for a coin to copy. Click on refresh right here. Alright, now let's launch a coin and make some money. First of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is properly connected, then click on refresh and then look for a coin to copy. I'm gonna copy the Labubu coin. Click copy the Raydium, wait for the Phantom wallet to show up, ignore the block from Phantom, it's normal, okay, just go through it. So proceed, confirm, and understand right here, and then click on confirm, and then the coin should be copied. Just give it a couple seconds for it to load. Come on. And then boom. Now let's create the liquidity pool. Now here, okay, is really easier. It's actually faster to do it than to say it and explain it every single step. But basically we are creating the liquidity pool for Raydium. Like that, it will go instantly to Raydium, and it will be immediately migrated. That's the whole point. Now for the amount of the Boo coins, click on 90%. This is how much you are going to put in the fucking coin as supply. Now look, 90% is the sweet spot. This is what most people do. For the amount of sold to pair, here is where you are exchanging some of your Solana for some supply. Like that, you can make profits as a dev. Okay, you are not losing anything. It is not a loss. You can get this Solana back whenever you want. Okay, so it's not a fee. It's not a loss. It's nothing. Okay. 0.3 so is what I'm going to put for the supply. Click on create pool, wait for your Phantom wallet to pop up in a couple seconds, and then ignore the block. Click on proceed, confirm, I understand, and then confirm. After that, bro, click on the refresh button and then scroll down, and bang, the coin is now created. It's live. people are now going to be able to buy it, okay, and your profits are right here. And if you do click on the refresh button right here, well, as you guys can see, bang, we're already up $130 because people are buying in and they love the narrative. That's exactly why you have to be copying coins. Now click on your terminal to see the chart. I personally use Photon. That is my personal opinion. Let me go on full screen. The coin should be live in a couple of seconds. And as you guys can see, people are buying in. We're up $80 already. I think we're up like $200 because we also make money from our supply. So that is insane. 1.4k market cap, 1k liquidity, things are looking good. $17 buy. This is exactly why you have to start deving, bro. Bang! A $70 buy. We're up like $300 already, if I had to guess. Oh my god, this is exactly why you have to start launching your own coins. This coin costed us literally $0, okay? And imagine you launch like 5 at a time. You can actually make a lot of fucking bread if you stay consistent. Bang, $34 buy. Like, bro, people are coming to us organically. I am not using my followers. I am not using anybody, just organic buyers. Now, I'm gonna give this coin some time for the pump. When I come back, I will show you how to cash out your profits on this meme coin. Alright guys, I am back and let's cash out our profits from our meme coin. We are almost at a 10k market cap within a couple minutes. Come back to create meme.io and then click on the refresh button. And as you guys can see, bro, we are going to receive around 2k from this launch. Now click on the minus button, do 100% remove liquidity, wait for your phantom wallet to pop up in a couple seconds, right? And then ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. And bang, bro, that's exactly how to dev a meme coin. And boom, bro, wait, we actually made 2.1k USD. But look, I'm not capping. Bang, the proof is there. 2.1k. Oh my god, the market is crashing for some reason, but we're up, okay, so it does not matter. Now you can do that over and over again. It's all for educational purposes only. Please, bro, stay consistent. Launch, okay? And yeah, bro, like, comment, subscribe, and join my Discord. Peace out.